Good evening, student. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yesterday, so last class we discussed about the chemical reactions, right? So we will continue about that. Did you go through that? Chemical reactions?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there in that?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So next part of the chemical reaction. I think 15 problems only we have saw. Write the balanced equation for the following reaction and also name the type of chemical reaction in each case. Just a minute. Write balanced equation for the following reactions and also name the type of chemical reaction in each case. Number 1, magnesium ribbon is burnt in air. Tell me,
Sir,
magnesium ribbon.
Mg plus O2 gives MgO.
Mg plus
O2.
Mg plus O2
O2
gives
MgO.
MgO.
So
So
2 Mg, 2 Mg.
so what type of reaction is this?
Combination.
Good. Is your oxidation reaction. Second one, limestone is heated. Heated. Limestone is heated. What is the equation?
Sir, calcium carbonate
Hmm.
gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Self-balance.
So what type of reaction is this?
Decomposition reaction.
No. Other type. Correct. The
Thermal,
decomposition.
thermal decomposition.
Hmm?
Thermal decomposition reaction.
Then what else?
Reduction.
Very good. It's a reduction reaction and decomposition. Next one. So now I will write that you have to balance the chemical equation. Okay. Hmm. So all the reaction will balance it. First one.
Sir, two FeSO4.
2 FeSO4. Everything solved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next MnO2.
Second. Four. Two. Sir, 4 HCl.
Mm.
Gives 2H2O, sir. 2.
Good. Third one சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, 2PbNO3.
ம்
2PbNO3, sir. 2PbNO3 twice. Gives 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. NH4. Sir, 2H2O, sir.
இல்ல கரெக்டா இருக்குல்ல?
That is correct, sir. Next one, sir.
சொல்லுப்பா.
Sir, 2H2O, sir. 2H2O.
Then next one.
P410. Sir, H2O gives
H2O
6H2O, sir. Gives 4HPPO4. Yes.
10 plus 16 ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 12 இல்லையே, சரியாவலையே. 6 plus 10 16 4 3s are 12 only, no?
16. 4. So 4. So O is O4. O3.
ம்
1 second, sir. I'll do it again.
ம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்களா?
1 second, sir.
What about others? Nobody opening their mouth.
Sir, I'm not able to do it, sir.
You can't solve it, huh? I'm sorry. I made one mistake. H3PO4. Then,
Then
as
6
you said,
H2O 4H.
okay, 4 4s are 6. Correct. Next one.
So 2 HiO3.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Good. Last one.
Yes. So 2AF
So 2AS
plus
plus
5
5Cl2
Good.
2AS.
plus 2HCl.
Correct, correct. Next, இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் பார்க்கலாம். இது 2020 கேட்டது ப்ராப்ளம். A compound A is used in the manufacture of cement when dissolved in water, it evolved a large amount of heat and forms compound B. Number 1, identify A and B. Number 2, write chemical equation for the reaction of A with water. Number 3, list 2 types of reaction in which this reaction may be classified. சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, compound A is calcium oxide.
Good.
And compound B is calcium hydroxide.
Very good.
So balance equation is calcium oxide CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice.
Second one, so the first one. See, A is calcium oxide, which is used in the manufacture of cement. Okay. B is calcium hydroxide. Second question is calcium oxide, which is used in the manufacture of cement. This will be calcium hydroxide. Third. So is any type of reaction? Second.
Combination reaction and exothermic reactions.
Combination reaction and exothermic. Very good. Apo list 2 types of reaction. Which reaction may be classified?
Combination.
So the given reaction is combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction. Example, when the ammonia react with HCl, it will give ammonium chloride. And nitrogen oxide react with oxygen, it will give nitrogen dioxide. Okay, these are the two examples. அடுத்து அடுத்த கொஸ்டின் 2 gram of ferrous sulfate crystal are heated in a dry tube. Okay, number 1, list any 2 observation. Number 2, name the type of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. And then third one, write the balanced chemical equation.
Sir, when ferrous sulfate is heated, it changes color from pale green to reddish brown.
So first one, when you're heating, so color change, color change. அப்புறம் color of the
The gas will be evolved.
gas evolved with smell. With the smell of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide.
Yes.
Then it's what type of reaction?
Decomposition.
Very good. Decomposition. And write the balanced equation.
Sir, 2 FeSO4. When it's heated, it gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3.
Very good. அடுத்து இதே மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் you might have noted that when copper powder is heated in a china dish, the reddish brown surface of copper powder becomes coated with black substance. Number 1, why has this black substance formed? And what is the black substance? Number 3, write the chemical equation. Number 4, how can the black coating on the surface be turned reddish brown? You have to answer for this 4 questions. Number 1, why has this block formed?
Sir, this is the black substance is formed because the copper gets reacted with acid. Oxygen.
Number one, copper react with oxygen. Okay. And number two, what is the block substance?
Copper oxides.
So copper oxide. And what is the chemical reaction?
Cu plus O2 gives Cu. 2Cu plus O2 gives 2Cu.
The copper 2 oxide. So copper 1 oxide na it become red color. Okay. So number 4, how can the block coated on the surface be turned reddish brown?
So when copper oxide is passed by hydrogen gas, when it's heated with hydrogen gas, the black coating releases the oxygen and turns brown colors.
So block coating on the surface and be turned reddish brown by passing hydrogen gas over the hot copper oxide. Okay. அடுத்த இந்த கொஸ்டின் answer பண்ணுங்க.
So question மட்டும் ஒரு நிமிஷம் காமி.
ஓகே தெரியுதா?
தெரியும் ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
சரியா?
okay, sir. ஆமா.
அடுத்த கொஸ்டின். Decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat or light or electricity for breaking down the reaction. Right? One equation. Heat for decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. சொல்லுங்க.
So should you also give the name for heat, light, and electricity?
What?
So should you also give the scientific name for heat, light, and electricity?
No need. Heat, light, sunlight, or electric current. That's all. So you have to give the example.
Okay.
All are decomposition only.
Sir, for heat, when calcium carbonate is heated, it gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide.
Good. So the decomposition reaction involves absorption of heat. Ilina, zinc carbonate, when it reacts, it will give zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Both are. அடுத்த light.
Silver chloride, when silver chloride is heated, passed through sunlight, it gives silver plus chlorine.
Silver plus
Chlorine, Cl2. So
hydrogen plus chlorine in presence of H nu, it gives 2HCl.
Yes.
This is a reaction method. Then hydrogen peroxide in the presence of sunlight gives water plus oxygen. Then C6H12O6, sorry, carbon dioxide
Suppose
plus
dynamic increase in Britain were clearly
water
growing at a rapid
plus
pace.
sunlight,
Cotton was
chlorophyll.
the leading sector in the first
யாரு
phase of
மியூட் பண்ணுங்க?
industrialization up to the 1840s. After the iron and steel industry led the way, with the expansion of railways in England from 1840s and the colonies from the 1860s, the demand for iron and steel increased rapidly. By 1873,
Vijayalakshmi, could you mute your mic?
this
So these are the examples. So in all case, what happened? The absorption of light can be happen. Okay. And decomposition reaction involve absorption of electrical current. Give one example.
When H2 was passed through, H2
Hmm.
was passed through electricity equals H2 plus O2.
Then another example, Al2O3, same electrical current, it gives 4Al aluminum plus 3. Okay.
Okay.
So name the type of chemical reactions. I think it already discussed on it. 16, 17 எல்லாம் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஆக்சுவலா இது இப்படி நடக்காது. இது எப்படி நடக்கும்னா, when the 2H2O, if you are passing electric current, 2H2 plus O2 இப்படிதான் நடக்கும். Okay.
Okay.
வேற என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் எழுதலாம்? Two KClO3 X Y 2KCl X plus O2 Z. Identify X, Y, Z. என்ன இருக்கும்பா? அதாவது what is the physical state ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க, and what is the condition கேக்குறாங்க. Y corresponds to condition, X and Z corresponds to state. கண்டுபிடிக்க முடிஞ்சதா?
Sir, Y is heating, sir. Heat.
Very good. Y is reaction condition. So heating. Good. And what is X and Z?
Sir, X is solid. X is solid, sir.
Very good. Solid.
Z is
And
gas.
Z is gas.
Gas.
So the physical state. So now you tell me the correct equation. 2KClO3 solid. When you are heating, it will give 2KCl solid plus O2 gas. Okay, va? இதுதான் அப்படி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Sorry. In a double displacement reaction, கவனிச்சேன் question. In double displacement reaction, such as the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution. Sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution. Number 1, A. Exchange of atom takes place. இது என்ன reaction? Double decomposition. Double displacement. Exchange of atoms takes place. And then B. Exchange of ions takes place. And C. A precipitate is produced. And D. An insoluble salt is produced. You tell me which is the correct option. Correct option more than one எது வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம்.
Sir, C is correct, sir. Sir, D is correct. D.
C is correct.
B also, sir.
Okay.
A, sir. One
B
second.
is correct.
A va?
B, sir, B.
B A va?
B, sir, B.
So the correct option is B, C, D. ஏன்னா you should not say atom. You have the ions. One when you put it in the solution, it becomes Na plus and SO4 2 minus. This is become Ba2 plus and Cl minus. So this ion will combine, it will give. Okay. So you have to be very careful when you are writing the answer. In which of the following the identity of initial substance remain unchanged? Again, telling in which of following the identity of initial substance remains unchanged. Number 1, curdling of milk. Number 2, formation of crystal. Formation of crystal. Crystals by process of crystallization. And C, fermentation of grapes. And D, digestion of food. You tell me. Which is correct?
Sir, formation of crystals by process.
Where are the options?
No, sir. I think no, sir.
Why it's formation of crystal from by the process of crystallization?
So, sir, crystallization. Then the formation of crystals by the process, the composition of the initial substance does not change, sir. But it gets crystallized, but not changed, sir.
So it changed the physical state. The liquid இருக்குது solid மாறுது. Correct? So that is the changes. It never ever change the remaining. The rest are chemical change. Why chemical change? Milk என்ன இருக்கு?
Lactic acid.
So it changed into some other chemical when it became a curd. And then fermentation of grapes, it converted into ethanol, right? Acid to ethanol, it will give. Digestion of food also, disaccharide to monosaccharide, many changes happen. So the formation of crystal is a physical change. The others are chemical change. That's why we are saying the answer B. So now you tell me. State the type of chemical reaction represented by the following equation. A plus BC, it gives AC plus B. A plus B, it gives C. PQ plus RS gives PS plus RQ. And A2O3 plus 2B, it gives B2O3 plus 2A. Tell me, Ma, what is the type of reaction?
So the first is displacement reaction.
Displacement.
Is combination reactions.
Second one is combination.
Third is double displacement reaction.
Third is double displacement. Ma, அடுத்தவங்கள answer சொல்லலாம். So only Kaushik and Rohit are telling the answers.
The fourth is displacement.
Huh?
Fourth is displacement, sir.
Displacement. Or otherwise? இன்னொரு பேரும் இருக்கு இந்த reactionக்கு.
Reduction. Or redox.
Very good. Redox reaction. So next question. When the mention the reason. Mention the reason. இதை நேத்தே பார்த்துட்டோமோ? சரி பார்க்கலாம். 20ல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Mention with the reason the color change observed. Number 1. Silver chloride is exposed to sunlight. Number 2. Copper powder is strongly heated. Heated in the presence of oxygen. Number 3. A piece of zinc is dropped in copper sulfate solution. No answer. Each one. First one. A silver chloride is exposed in sunlight. What will happen? What is the color of silver chloride?
Gray color. White.
White.
White color.
When it exposed to sunlight, it becomes
gray.
So when the white silver chloride is left exposed to sunlight, a color change to gray. That means silver. And then chlorine gas. Okay.
Okay.
The copper powder is strongly heated. What changes we can see?
So the color changes to black, sir.
Very
black
good.
formation.
When copper powder is strongly heated in the presence of oxygen, the color reddish brown surface of the copper become coated with some dash color.
Black color.
The black color substance is
Copper.
So you tell me that equation.
Sir, Cu plus O2 gives Cu. 2C
2Cu.
plus O2.
This is reddish brown. This become black. Okay. A piece of zinc dipped in copper sulfate solution, what will happen?
Blue color will be changes to brown color, sir.
Blue color changes into
Brown color, sir.
how it changed brown color, dear?
Color, yeah.
Sir, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate and zinc sulfate is colorless.
You said brown color?
I said copper color, sir.
Very good. So both of your answer is right. So how you have tried no? Copper sulfate, blue color, plus zinc is aqueous, solid. It gives zinc sulfate aqueous that is colorless. Okay. But the solid, it become reddish brown. So how to answer that? When the piece of zinc is dripped in copper sulfate solution, the blue color of copper sulfate fade gradually and then form the colorless solution of zinc sulfate, and the reddish brown copper metal get deposited on the zinc piece. Okay, va? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Lead nitrate solution is added to a test tube containing potassium iodide. What will happen? What is the lead nitrate solution? What is the formula for lead nitrate?
PBNO.
PbNO3 twice. What is the formula for potassium iodide?
Ki, sir.
Then what is the product will form?
KNO3 plus PbI2.
PbI2. So this is the yellow color insoluble substance. So it goes to aqueous solution. This is aqueous. This is aqueous. So when you are balancing, it becomes 2, 2. So everything will be correct, right?
Yes.
So this is, we can say, name the type of reaction and justify your answer. So what type of reaction?
Double displacement.
Okay.
And,
இன்னொரு நேம் என்ன சொல்லலாம்?
double displacement.
Neutralization, acid base reaction, redox reaction, அந்த மாதிரி இதுல என்னன்னு சொல்லுவீங்க?
Neutralization.
Hello.
இல்ல sir.
Neutralization. It form a insoluble
Precipitate.
substance. So நீங்க எழுதணும், it's a precipitation reaction or double displacement reaction. So this type of reaction we can call it as precipitation reaction because one of the product is formed insoluble substance. Okay, va?
Okay.
And then the ions which are interchanged. Okay, so we can say it is a double displacement reaction. இந்த மாதிரி தான் நீங்க justify பண்ணணும். Okay, va? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next week என்ன revise பண்ணலாம்?
Yes, sir.
Overall question paper எடுத்து revise பண்ணலாமா இல்ல chapter wise என்ன revise பண்ணலாமா?
Chapter wise, sir.
நான் next week என்ன chapter நீங்களே 4 பேர் discuss பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. I will come with question ma, வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. That's why I'm asking.
Acid base.
Next unit,
No.
Okay, so I will collect some latest paper. We will discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So எல்லாரும் நல்ல மார்க் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணணும் இந்த டெஸ்ட்ல, சரியா?
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the best. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Today Teachers Day, no?
Sir, happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy
Happy
Teachers'
Teachers Day, sir.
Okay, ma. Bye.
Thank you, sir.